everyone, welcome back to TechTeam. And in today's video, we are exploring 35 incredible car gadgets from Amazon that will completely transform your driving experience. These innovative accessories will enhance your safety, comfort, and convenience on every journey. So let's dive in and find out what gadgets we are talking about. One, multifunctional socket wrench. Handle any job with ease using the QAL GTIH 52-in-1 socket wrench. This professional-grade tool features a rotating head with multiple socket sizes for hex, square, and Torx bolts. Crafted from stainless steel with a brushed finish, it offers durability and corrosion resistance. Its ergonomic handle and compact design make it perfect for home, business, and automotive repairs. 2. Net Pocket. Organize your car with the versatile Net Pocket by iHotDur. This set includes 4 net pockets, 2 large and 2 small, which can be mounted behind seats, on doors, or next to the center console. Made from durable nylon mesh and polyester fiber, these pockets provide ample space for essentials like phones, sunglasses, and keys. The strong adhesive backing ensures stability, keeping everything in place. 3. Wireless CarPlay Dash Cam. Drive safer with the wireless CarPlay Dash Cam, compatible with both Apple and Android devices. This dash cam offers high-definition video recording, providing clear footage of the road ahead. With wireless connectivity, it's easy to view and manage recordings on your phone. Equipped with advanced features like lane departure warnings and collision detection, this dash cam ensures a safer driving experience by keeping you informed of potential hazards. 4. Universal socket. Do you often struggle with finding the right size socket for your repair jobs? Cranach's Universal Socket is a versatile tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This adjustable socket fits various shapes and sizes, making it perfect for home improvement, carpentry, and auto repair tasks. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, it can handle heavy-duty jobs with ease. This universal socket is an excellent addition to any toolbox, offering flexibility and durability for multiple tasks. 5. Smart Dash Cam. Enhance your driving safety with the 70 MAI Smart Dash Cam. This 1080p Full HD dash cam features a Sony IMX307 image processor and f2.2 aperture for clear recordings, even in low-light conditions. It includes a built-in G sensor for automatic emergency recording and loop recording to prevent data loss. With voice control and built-in Wi-Fi, it offers hands-free operation and easy access to recordings via the 70 MAI app. Capture every moment on the road with this smart dash cam. 6. 3-in-1 steering wheel table. The 3-in-1 steering wheel table by QLH Shop is a versatile accessory for your car. It serves as a portable laptop holder, food tray, and gap filler organizer. The tray hooks onto the steering wheel and supports up to 10 pounds, providing a stable surface for meals or work. Made from durable ABS plastic, it fits most vehicles and can be conveniently stowed away when not in use, making it perfect for long trips or mobile workstations. 7. Foldable skid plate. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the foldable skid plate by Pinnacle. This durable plate offers excellent protection for the underside of your vehicle, preventing damage from rough terrain. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it a convenient addition to your car's toolkit. Made from high-quality materials, this skid plate is built to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring your vehicle stays in top condition during your adventures. 8. Sun Visor Organizer. Is your car cluttered with small items you need easy access to? The Da by Sun Visor Organizer is the perfect solution. Made from durable PU leather, it features multiple pockets, including a zipped compartment, mesh slip pocket, card holders, and a glasses clip. It attaches easily to your sun visor with strong elastic bands, providing convenient storage for essentials like documents, phones, and sunglasses. Keep your car tidy and organized with this sleek, functional accessory. 9. 2-in-1 Z Creeper Seat. Meet your versatile garage companion, the Croak 2-in-1 Z Creeper Seat. It transforms effortlessly from a creeper to a stool, supported by a sturdy steel frame and equipped with 6 swivel wheels for smooth mobility. The padded seat and backrest ensure comfort during auto repair tasks, making it an essential addition to any workshop or garage. Backseat Hanging Organizer. Keep your car neat with Snoop's Backseat Hanging Organizer. With 8 large storage pockets, you can store groceries, cleaning supplies, and baby toys. The adjustable buckle straps make it easy to install on any headrest, and its durable design ensures it stays in place during travel. This organizer is perfect for keeping everything in order. 11. Cup Coaster. ZSDY's cup coasters keep your car's cup holders clean and stylish. Made from premium, environmentally friendly PVC soft glue, these coasters are flexible, durable, and can withstand high temperatures. Their 2.77-inch diameter fits most car cup holders, and the groove pattern design reduces noise while adding a touch of style to your vehicle's interior. Center console cover. Is your car's center console uncomfortable during long drives? The Stay Cool Car Center Console cover is the perfect solution. Made from premium microfiber leather with memory foam padding, it relieves elbow pressure during long drives. Equipped with storage pockets for essentials like phones and keys, its non-slip design and elastic band ensure a secure fit on most vehicle armrests, adding protection and convenience. 13. Sunglasses holders. Keep your sunglasses within easy reach with the sunglasses holders by Irie. These practical holders clip onto your sun visor, protecting your sunglasses from scratches and keeping them secure during bumpy rides. The sturdy construction ensures they stay in place, while the sleek design blends seamlessly into your car's interior. 14. Govee Car LED Lights. Govee's interior RGBIC car lights bring a vibrant, customizable glow to your vehicle's interior. These lights use RGBIC technology to display multiple colors simultaneously, creating stunning effects. Controlled via a smartphone app, you have access to 16 million colors, dynamic light effects, and a DIY mode for personal setups. The built-in mic syncs the lights to your music, making every drive lively. Installation is easy, and they fit cars, trucks, and SUVs. 15. Blind spot mirror. Are you struggling with limited visibility in blind spots while driving? The Marbston blind spot mirror is an essential safety accessory for any vehicle. These 2-inch round mirrors provide a 360-degree adjustable angle, maximizing the view of your blind spots and enhancing road safety. Made with HD real glasses and ABS housing, they are waterproof and rust-resistant. 16. Foldable hanging trash can. Keep your car clean with the foldable hanging trash can by EFOL. This compact trash can hangs on the back of your seat, providing a discreet place to dispose of waste. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. Made from durable materials, this trash can is waterproof and easy to clean, making it a practical accessory for maintaining a clean vehicle interior. 17. Door latch step. Do you need easier access to your car's roof for loading cargo or cleaning? The door latch step by Momi provides a sturdy solution. This step hooks onto the door latch, allowing you to reach the roof with ease. Its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this step can support up to 400 pounds, ensuring safety and stability. 18. Cup holder tray. The cup holder tray from Soda Ride is perfect for those who eat on the go. This 3-in-1 tray fits into your car's cup holder, providing a stable surface for food and drinks. It also has a phone slot for hands-free video watching. The patented self-locking rotary mechanism ensures a secure fit, and its high-quality ABS material make it durable and easy to clean. Enjoy mess-free meals on the road. Enjoying these gadgets? Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss the latest in automotive tech. 19. Illuminated tire valve stem caps. Yalock's Illuminated tire valve stem caps are both functional and stylish. These caps glow in the dark, adding a touch of luxury to your vehicle. Made from luminous material, they feature rubber seals to prevent air leakage and protect the valve from dust, water, and sand. Easy to install without any tools, these caps enhance both the appearance and safety of your car. 20. Backseat Car Fan. Keep your backseat passengers cool with Zool Backseat Car Fan. This powerful 12-volt electric fan has dual rotatable heads, efficiently circulating air throughout the vehicle. It's perfect for hot summer days or cars without AC. The 360-degree rotation and stepless speed regulation allow for personalized comfort. Installation is simple, powered through a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. This fan ensures a pleasant ride for everyone, no matter how high the temperature rises. 21. Cleaning Gel. Having trouble keeping your car interior spotless? Ty-Carve's cleaning gel is the perfect solution. This gel, available in multiple scents, easily picks up dust and debris from hard-to-reach places like air vents and cup holders. Its reusable and non-toxic formula ensures safety and convenience for regular use. Just press the gel into any crevice, and it absorbs dirt, leaving your car clean and fresh. 22. Roadside Emergency Car Kit. This Roadside Emergency Car Kit is a comprehensive safety solution for drivers. This 104-piece kit includes essential tools like jumper cables, an escape hammer, a tire pressure gauge, a flashlight, and screwdrivers. Additionally, it features a 66-piece first aid kit, making it indispensable for emergencies. The durable 600D nylon canvas bag keeps everything organized and ready for use. 23. Ratchet Straps. Augo's Ratchet Straps offer reliable security for transporting items. Each 15-foot strap has a 2,200-pound brake strength, ensuring your cargo stays secure during transport. The rubber-coated S-hooks with safety locks prevent damage and provide added security. Ideal for moving heavy items, these straps come with bungee cords, soft loops, and a storage bag, making them a practical addition to any vehicle. 24. Screen Cleaner. Acepore's Screen Cleaner is essential for maintaining your car's touchscreen and electronic displays. This kit includes an ammonia-free cleaning solution, a microfiber cloth, and a detailed brush for a thorough and safe cleaning experience. It effectively removes fingerprints, smudges, and dust without damaging the screen. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and use, ensuring a streak-free shine for all your electronic devices. Keep your screens pristine with this handy cleaner. 25. Flower Air Vent Clip. Add a touch of charm and freshness to your car with the Zayden Flower Air Vent Clip. This set of 6 daisy-shaped clips comes in cheerful colors and is infused with delightful scents, like lavender and jasmine. Easy to install on any car air vent, these clips not only enhance your car's interior, but also circulate a pleasant aroma. 26. Cup Holder Extender. Do you need more space for drinks in your vehicle? The iSaddle Car Cup Holder Extender is the perfect solution. Its adjustable base fits most car, truck, and RV cup holders, providing additional slots for drinks and bottles. The removable elastic clip secures various bottle sizes, ensuring stability during drives. Easy to install by simply twisting to expand or retract the base, this extender is a convenient accessory for any vehicle, making your drives more comfortable and organized. 27. Headrest Pillow. Experience exceptional comfort with the Yuka Car Headrest Pillow. Designed for car seats with poles, it features a 180-degree adjustable headrest to accommodate both children and adults. Made from premium leather and thickened memory foam, the pillow ensures a soft, odor-free experience. Installation is tool-free and straightforward, making it an excellent choice for long trips. Enhance your travel comfort with this adjustable and supportive headrest pillow. 28. Complete Car Care Kit. Keep your vehicle looking its best with Megawar's Complete Car Care Kit. This all-in-one solution includes 12 premium products, such as car wash shampoo, Caranuba wax, tire gel, and interior detailer to clean, shine, and protect your car. The addition of clay bars and microfiber towels ensures thorough detailing. This comprehensive kit is perfect for car enthusiasts. 29. Lumbar Support Pillow. Enhance your seating comfort with the Nice Day Lumbar Support Pillow. Designed to provide ergonomic support, this pillow helps relieve back pain and improve posture. Crafted from memory foam and covered with breathable 3D mesh, it keeps your back cool and comfortable. Adjustable elastic straps ensure it stays in place on various chairs, perfect for office workers, drivers, and students. This cushion is a thoughtful gift for anyone who spends long hours sitting in the car. 30. Mini GPS Tracker. Stay connected with the Spytech GL300 Mini GPS Tracker, a versatile device perfect for tracking vehicles, kids, or valuable assets. It offers real-time tracking via a user-friendly mobile app available on iOS and Android. Weatherproof and equipped with a magnetic case for secure attachment, this tracker features geofencing, speed alerts, and historical data review. A subscription is required for full functionality, making it a comprehensive monitoring solution for various needs. 31. Portable car hand controls. Struggling with mobility issues while driving? The Quick-Stick portable car hand controls are here to help. These fully assembled controls are easy to install without tools and fit almost any vehicle. They are lightweight and portable and made of durable aluminum, ideal for travel and everyday use. The adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit, providing a safe and efficient driving solution for individuals with temporary or permanent mobility challenges. 32. Side window sunshades. Are you looking for a way to protect your car's interior from the sun and ensure privacy? The WP-LHB car side window sunshades are the perfect solution. This set of 4 magnetic track blinds is easy to install and fits most car windows. Made from high-quality satin fabric, these shades block 99.99% of UV rays, protecting passengers and enhancing comfort. Their non-transparent design ensures privacy, making them perfect for families with infants or anyone seeking a more private car interior. 33. Endoscope Camera. Explore tight spaces with the Plostware Endoscope Camera, a versatile inspection tool. It boasts a 1920p HD camera with adjustable LED lights for clear visuals in dark environments. Its 9.8-foot waterproof cable suits various applications like pipe inspection and car repair. Compatible with Android and iOS via a 3-in-1 adapter, it provides real-time video and photo capture for precise diagnostics. 34. Solar Helicopter Air Freshener. Add a touch of style and freshness to your car with the Nisada Solar Helicopter Air Freshener. This compact solar-powered air freshener features a helicopter design that rotates with sunlight, distributing a pleasant aroma throughout your car. Made from aviation-grade aluminum alloy and natural beechwood, it uses essential oils for a safe, eco-friendly fragrance. This air freshener also serves as a unique decorative piece, making it an ideal gift for car enthusiasts. 35. Dog Pet Net Barrier. Tired of your dog always jumping around in the car? The Dyson Dog Car Net Barrier is here to help. This dual mesh barrier made from durable polyester keeps pets and kids safely in the back seat. It's stretchable and easy to install with hooks that attach to the headrests and seat, doubling as a storage organizer for small items. So, what do you think about these innovative car gadgets? Which one are you excited to try out? Comment below and let us know. Until next time, drive safe and happy travels.